In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to board a ship in Starfield. So let's get started. So in order to board a ship, you have to disable it without blowing it up. Sounds pretty obvious when you think about it, but you can't do that with your unreliable human eyes. Before you can board ships, you have to unlock the targeting control system's skill in the tech tree. This ability's first rank lets you target different subsystems in the enemy ships. In this case, you need to use the skill to take out your enemy's engines. Subsequent ranks make it easier to lock on and bestow benefits while targeting an enemy, but if you're hurting for skill points, these upgrades aren't necessary. While with the targeting control system unlocked, you can start shooting out an enemy vessel's engines, preferably after you've destroyed their shields. To target engines or any subsystems, get in close, wait for your ship to lock on, and then open the targeting tab with the target lock prompt. Once that is all done, keep hammering the engines until the ship is adrift in space, but make sure you stop before the hull is destroyed. If you're close enough, the prompt to dock the ship will pop up on the screen. Press the corresponding button and a short cutscene will play showing the ships docking. Once the ships are latched, the game gives you an option to board, undock, or get up from your seat. To board, just select the board option and congratulations, you're almost done. A word of warning before trying to board a ship: you can only attempt this trick after you have destroyed all the enemies in the area. If you see two ships you want, you have to decide which one to commandeer before taking out their engines. Also, unless you're going for a full villain route, you only attack and board ships that shoot at you first. Nobody's going to miss a few pirates. But if a United Colony ship goes dark, you're going to end up with a bounty on your head. So yeah, so that's how you board a ship. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.